G'day everybody, it's Scott Morrisani from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to remove a Hyundai iLoad car sound system. Now the tools you'll need today is a plastic spudger and a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, let's get started. We're going to remove this plastic section here first around the gear stick, and you can usually get that by getting your fingers underneath and just pulling towards the gear stick like so. Okay, so after we've got this out, that will expose 1, 2, 3 screws. We'll need to remove all 3 so that this section here will come away from the dashboard. Okay, now next part we're going to remove is this plastic surround. It is held in with some clips, so you'll need to get your fingers underneath and just pull it towards. And that's pretty much all we need to do with that one. We'll be left with 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now that we've got all 4 screws out, this whole radio will come out as a whole. So pull it towards you and you'll be left with some electrical connections. The aerial connection, these plugs come out by pressing the center pin and pulling it towards the front. And just be careful not to scratch the dash while you're doing this. And that radio is now ready to send off to Supertech Electronics for repair.